In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix Studio and create an e-commerce store. So creating an e-commerce website can be a daunting task, but with Wix Studio, it becomes incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. So Wix Studio provides a range of tools and templates that allow you to set up a professional-looking online store without needing to know how to code. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a fully functional e-commerce store for beginners using Wix. So first, let's head over to our Wix account. So this will be your sites. So let's just create a new site by clicking right here in the top right. And as you can see, the AI will now talk to you right here. So just click on, you can either click on Start Chat or Set up without chat. So I'm just going to set up without chat. And now search for your business or site type. So let's just select online store. Click on continue. Now store name. So I'm just going to add shoe test. And you can describe it right here. So I'm just going to leave it as is. Click on continue. Let's select sell products. Continue. And click on finish. So now they will prepare your dashboard and create your personalized setup. So just wait for it to. So now these are the steps to set up your store. So first is you want to connect a custom domain. So make this recommended domain yours or search for an available one. So I'm just going to use this. So click on let's go. Now we want to set up payment methods. So from here, you can connect your PayPal right here or simply manual payments. The next thing is add your first product. So you'll need to add your products right here. Let's say there are sample products right here. So if you want to add your own product, just click here on new product. So you can add physical product or digital file. So let's select physical product. Now you can add images and videos right here. Add the basic info such as the name, the ribbon, description, and your pricing. You can also add custom text, so it allows customers to personalize this product with a custom text field. Also product options right here, such as its type, size or weight, something like that, small, medium, or large, and the inventory and shipping. So I won't bother doing this now because we already have sample products right here. Let's go back to our setup. After doing adding your first product, you need to set up your shipping and the delivery. So it should be right here. So just do this. And after setting that up, simply design your website. So click on design site. Now you can either generate a design with AI or customize a template. So I prefer customizing a template. So you can choose a bunch of different templates right here, as you can see. So I search for shoe store, something like that. So as you can see, there are pre-made templates right here for a shoe inspired store. So let's say I'm just going to use this. Click on edit. Now we'll be redirected to the Wix website editor. So now it's preparing your site. So this is how your website should look like. As you can see in the left hand side, you can add elements, add sections, pages and menu, site design. You can also add apps. You can see my business, media, and CMS. So let's just zoom in. As you can see, so of course, if you don't really want to use this same design, of course, you can change this designs by clicking here, quick edit. So you can change this Let's say shoe test, like that. And you can change the alignment, you can change the design. So as you can see, we can just click on the design and design it as we want. So what's good about this is you can automatically click the text, the designs, and change it to what you want. So you don't need any coding for this. Let's just change this. As you can see, double click, and you can now change the name. Just move this, that, change the font size. As you can see, this is how you can edit your website. So you can also add links to these sections. So let's say you want this, double click here. Oops. So right here, shop sale, this is a button. And as you can see, when they click on this, it will automatically redirect them to the category / sale. So now we can click on this link icon, select web address or page. So if you want to redirect your customers to a specific page on your site, you can simply choose the page right here, or you can simply select web address and paste your URL right here. So you can do that to almost all of the elements in your website. So if you want to redirect them, simply add a URL or redirect them to your page in some sections here in your website. Now right here in the product section, of course, all of your products will be added right here. So as you can see, for now, it has no product. So let's click on Manage Products. Wait for it to load, and you will see all of your uploaded products right here. You can see. So in my case, I haven't added, so I'm just going to use the sample products. That, just going to add that. Add. Oops. Into Manage Products. Now you want to select the product. So this is the basic information of the product. So click here and show in online store. Click on save. And let's just go back. So let's just refresh, but it should automatically appear right there. So when you scroll down, you should see it right here. I don't know why it's not showing right now, but maybe because it's a sample product, but you get the gist of it. In the bottom, you will see the address, contact us, and stay in touch icons right here. And of course, you can simply edit those by yourself. So after editing your website, simply click on publish right here in the top right to go live, and anyone will see it. And you're all set. And now this is your site link. As you can see, this is how it would look like. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.